po yung General Manager ng Philippine Ports Authority. Tingnan natin kung nagugutom yung mga stranded doon.
Po kanina, as of 6 a.m. po kanina, nasa 5,329 passengers po yung stranded natin and 994 vehicles. So what we have been doing po, every time naman po na meron po tayong ganitong situation, lahat po ng terminals natin sa stranded, we provide them hot meals po. No? Pero ano lang po, Mr. President, normally lugaw po na mainit kasi wala naman po sa budget po natin yan.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Opo. But what we do po is we do it po out of pocket po ng mga empleyado din po natin.
So we augment the hot meals, pero we're about to come up with our DOST ready-to-eat box.
Oo.
It's a day box na lahat na siya kakainin mo na lang. There are protein bars and all those stuff. Galing sa DOST. So we're about to launch it next month. So yun yung mas systematic way of doing it.
But that's something that yan ang talagang fell through the cracks na hindi natin napaghandaan. Departments seem to be well prepared. We have some budgeting issues simply because na meron tayong napakarami ang dumadaan na bagyo.